गोयन अंडर-13 सर्तींत पेजात प्रदर्शन करून डेम्पो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब AIFFच्या यूथ लिगाक कोलकाता वचपाक सज्ज। ही सर्त जिखप सोडून आनीक पर्याय ना अशें चेअरमॅन श्रीनिवास डेम्पो टीमीक उर्बेचो निरोप दितना उलयले। कोच रेमोस गोम्स आनी बाकीचो स्पोर्ट्स स्टाफ बरे काम करता म्हूण डेम्पो आनीक तंत्रीक संचालक नायडून तुस्त केली। टीम शुक्रारा कोलकाता चल्ली। सर्त 29 तारखेक सुरू। फायनल 8 मायाक।
There is no option but to play with your full heart, with your full passion, dedication, and make Goa proud. Apart from making Dempos proud, it's primarily to make Goa proud. Because somewhere down the line, I think Goa has to reaffirm its position on the map of the country as a footballing state. Go with a completely clear mind, go with a lot of passion, because I think passion takes you anywhere. This under-13 playoff has given you a wonderful opportunity. Not only to exceed in this tournament, but to go ahead in the path of career of football.
We're going to go there and win, and whoever the opposition is, we're going to take them on. I think the kind of influence Remus has put onto the boys, the winning mentality, and our simple message. We just believe in two things: keep ball possession and don't let them score. It's worked for us. It's been their mantra from day number one, and they have adopted it.
Boys have done a good job. It is their hard work. They have reached here. It's not that I only saw them, but they play on the ground.
कांपाल्याचेर चालू आशिल्ल्या ऑल इंडिया आमंत्रिताच्या टेबल टेनिस सर्तींत ब्रेस्तारा भारताचो 5वो रँक प्लेयर अनुक्रम जैनान BPS पंगडाक सुपर 8 राउंडांत व्हेले। दुसरे वटेन टीम हॉटेल मनुशांती आनी हार्झेन आपापले राउंड जिखले।
बहुत बढ़िया।
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।